Today I heard a different way of introducing yourself, so I will try it out. So my name is Cristián. I learned to code in C, and I started to solve the first problems in Perl and Bash. So my Python code looks a little bit weird. So yeah, applications are crucial. Web applications or desktop applications are really important nowadays, but sometimes it could be really difficult to design. Right? Maybe you're familiar with this joke that maybe if you're really not an expert. Oh, so what? Oh, well, this is... Can I...
Oh, wow.
Can I
Technical difficulties?
Move it like here so you can see it?
Yeah, we can see it all right now. Yep.
Well, yeah, it would be kind of...
No.
Now, maybe? Yeah, let's put it there.
This is okay.
So you have seen this joke, right? I mean, besides the joke that I couldn't fit the thing on the screen. So designing things are really difficult, right? So I just wanted to talk about Qt. That's the way you pronounce it. It's really a nice way to do these kind of things. It's a cross-platform framework, but it's written in C++. And C++ is too complicated, right? So when you look at this code, it's not really complicated, right? I mean, you can understand what is happening there, right? But if I show you code like this, then you do metaprogramming. If I don't write there like this a compile time, you will have no idea. So we know Python is easier, right? What is this Python code? It depends on the context, right? Because if I show this, it's easy, right? It's just comparing some list. But if I do this, what does this Python code do? But Python is easy, right? So this just thing prints the same content of the file. So apparently Python is not so easy. What if I do this? What does this function do? Something with a power of 2, right? But if I put some context, then you understand, right? And what is this code doing there? It's the same thing. Weird, right? So what we decided to do with Qt is that we have this huge framework in C++ and try to expose it in Python. So I want to introduce Python++. No, that's a joke. So this is Qt. It's just Qt for Python, and it's a way of like exposing this huge framework into Python. So you will have the same kind of perks that C++ developer have in Python. So it's easy as it is. Any Python module, you just do pip install pysci2, and then you have all the things there. So how those codes looks like? Usually this is kind of the main application. You start an application, some widget, you show it, and then you execute the application. So what is inside this widget thing? Usually it's a class definition, you call constructors, and then you start to add some stuff, right? You have, let's say you load some data, like some languages, you declare that there will be a label, there will be a button that also has connected with something that it says signals. Then you have a layout that, of course, what I want to put first and then afterwards. And then you have this magical thing called slots, which is just the reaction of buttons, in this case of clicking. So it's really cool to use to build useful applications. So in this case, if we show, for example, the code, and now I will need to, of course, everyone here is using the latest Python 3.8, right? Of course, right? Okay, that's the spirit. So yeah, if we go to the repository of this talk, whoop. Yes, and there we have it. So this is the same code that I was showing before, so you can believe me. The thing that this is true is just creating this simple application saying hi in different languages that we just load. So it was not so complicated, right? Let's go back to the presentation. So when you have these beautiful things here in non-focus, of course, you know that you can mix these things up. So I have 1 minute left. You can build, for example, when you have some scikit image applications that you can just change the filter of stuff, or if you have these beautiful 3D plots with matplotlib, because of course Jupyter notebooks are right, but if you want to build a tool for your company, maybe you can use this thing and display some beautiful Panda data frames, some 3D stuff. And that will be it. You can find all the information here in this website, so please try it out. But most importantly, please, if you are not from Berlin, because in Berlin we are really nice, remember to support your local groups because they are really important and you feel really well after doing it. So bring it up.